Whoa, whoa, it's going over my foot. Look at this. Look. Whoa!
Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel.
Wow, big surprise!
Surprise, Amani!
Yeah, we're gonna open a surprise. Yeah, let's do it.
Wow, what is it, Amani? Is it a ride on?
Yeah. Let's see what our surprise is today. It is a pink one.
What is it, Amani?
It's not.
Wow, it's a pink motorbike.
It's a pink motorbike.
Vroom, vroom. You want to get everything out of the box?
Yeah, let's do it.
That's a wheel.
Let's take it out.
Ooh, what's that, Amani? Is that the handlebar?
Yeah.
Whoa, check it out, it's so heavy.
And it's a starter leaf.
Let's get the main body out. Help me. Help me, Amani, help me. Whoa, whoa. Woo.
And then
Check it out, it's so pink.
it's a walking stick to do some magic.
It's not a walking stick. What else is in the box, Amani?
This is a motorbike sticker. It's for the
Ooh, it's a police motorbike, look.
yes, a police pink motorbike.
Wow, do you like police motorbikes?
Yes, it's pink. Then the other one, then if you get a sticker.
Woohoo!
Look.
Can we have a look?
Ta-da!
Wow.
These are all the letters with stars for the police officer.
What else is in the box, Amani?
There is some more wheels, and then a charger, and then another wheel, and then another.
In the box. Amani's in the box. Hi. Say hi, everyone.
Hi everyone, I was hiding in the box now. Guys, now I think I have to finger out and must it. Go. And I put my first wheel. This one is the first wheel. Now I do it with my spanner. Now let's do the next wheel. Now let's do so with my hammer. It's so nice and tight. Now let's do the back wheel. Oh, nice and tight. It's all done, guys. I'm gonna do a good job. The wheel is done. Let's do it. It's all done now. Let's fix the stickers. Police officer.
Where does that go, Amani? I think it goes at the front. Oh, upside, oh, look around. Look at that.
Let's do another one. That goes under.
That goes there.
It goes there. We've done it.
engine noise. Look, press that button. Whoa, that's the ignition. Beep beep. Turn it around, Lamani. Chase me. Police officer, don't arrest me. Don't arrest me, police officer. I've been good today. Oh, look at the lights. Look at the lights, mommy. Look. When you press gas, the lights come on. Press the gas. Look at that. Check out the wheels. Police officer to the rescue. You crashed into me. Over my foot. Look at this. Look. Whoa! Ow! Ah! Police officers chasing me! Ow! Chase me! Oh! Bring it over. Here, I'll help you. Oh, sorry. Gas. Press the gas. Go, press it. Chase me! Ow! Oh no! Chase me! Police officers coming to chase me! Beep, beep.
Daddy!
Vroom! Don't crash into me!
I'm gonna roll you over.
Are you chasing me?
Yeah.
Don't chase me! Oh no, she's gonna handcuff me. Are you handcuffing me?
Yeah. You've been a naughty person. I'm putting you in jail.
Ow!
You have been naughty by yourself.
Oh no, are you still chasing me? Oh no! Put me in jail. Oh no! Oh. Oh, I can't come out anymore.
They locked you in there. Stay jail for 2 minutes.
Okay, officer.
10 minutes.
Can I come out in 10 minutes, officer?
No, stay there for 10 minutes. Stay there for 10, 15. Yeah, I'll hold this like my big motorbike. Go.
Vroom! Oh! Help! Hi, police officer! Chase me, guy! Chase me! Come this way! Don't chase me, police officer! Where's the police officer friend? Look where she's gone! Look! She's gone right down there! Police officer! Hi! officer.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget to